Hello students, this is a short video about assignment questions in e-learning. If your teacher has given you an assignment in e-learning, how will you see those questions? How to save your answers? And how do you submit the answers to the teacher? This video will explain the answers to all these questions. Okay, this is your mobile phone. You have to go to Google Chrome. Now this is our college website sct.edu.om and you have to go to the e-learning page. Now you have to log in. I have to tap here, Open ID Connect. Now it will ask you your username and password, but once you have logged into your mobile, it will not ask you username and password. It will directly take to your course page. Okay, this is your course. Open it. The teacher must have kept many documents, and here you can find the assignment. It will always have a blue colored icon. The teacher must have given a name for it. So this is chapter 1 assignment. We are tapping on it. So you can see the assignment question here. Chapter 1 assignment questions. If you tap here, it will open. It will show you the questions. Okay, now the job of the student is to read the question and answer it on a paper. Okay, you have solved all the answers on a paper. Now go back. At the bottom you can see add submission. We have to tap on it. Open add submission. Now you have to add the files. What files? You have already answered, so it's on the paper now. Now how to bring it here? You have to tap on this add files. So I'm tapping on it. Now you have to choose the file. Okay, I will choose the file. Now the question is, okay, you want to use the camera directly or you already have the files on your mobile phone. So if I tap the camera, time being I am tapping the camera and I am opening my answers. So I'll take the photo, I'll accept. The file name will come here, but you will save it as your college ID and page 1. Okay, I'm going to give the name 42 capital J 193456, then page 1 PAGE 1. Then I have to click upload this file. Okay, one photo file is directly uploaded to the e-learning, so it will come here. I have one more file which is already saved in my mobile phone in the phone photo gallery. So I will tap this again. You have to tap this. You can add 20 files at a time and the maximum file size is 500 MB. Okay, I'm going to add the second file. Now you have to choose the file again. This time I'm going to files. Okay, I have my photos here. So I will tap on it. I have 2 photos here. From that I am choosing this photo. So the photo name will come there, but I want to give the name as my college ID. One 93456, then page 2. Okay, now I have to upload this file. The second file also will appear there. So I have completed my assignments and 2 photos are loaded to the e-learning page. It will display the file names here. If the file size is big, you may have to wait for some time for it to upload to the e-learning page. It depends on the speed of your internet. So wait patiently. Once the files are uploaded, you have to click submit button, then it will be visible to the teacher. The two files will appear here at the bottom. You can see those files and you can click save changes. Once you save changes, it will show here submitted for grading. The two files which you have loaded will appear here. It's always advisable to give the file name as your college ID, then followed by page 1 or page 2 whatsoever. So it will be easy for the teacher to find out. If you want to have any communication or any comment about this assignment, you can click comment and add a text there. It is not necessary. Now you have already submitted the assignment. Later, if you feel that I want to add one more page, you can click edit submission and add one more page here. Or if you feel that my first page was wrong, you can edit submission and you can delete this page. Okay, but the teacher has kept a due date for the assignment submission. After that date, you cannot do edit or remove submission. These buttons will not appear there. Okay, thank you.